Many SMEs today have hybrid teams. So some people in the office, some in home office, some on the road. And the challenge is, how do I keep an overview without micromanaging everyone? Solution is the software that I will show you here, Wolfeye Remote Screen. It gives you one central dashboard. It's the dashboard that you see here on the screen that I will show to you for a 5 to 500 computers office or remote with live screen. You will see the live screen, so to speak, of each of the computers that you install the software on. I will show it to you in a minute. So the benefits that you have, you will see in real time who is doing what, who is working on what. You will identify bottlenecks and idle time, and you will use the data for coaching, of course, not for paranoia. So first, a disclaimer: home office monitoring should never be done on poorly private devices. It can only be done on company devices, and you have to make sure your company policies clearly state where monitoring runs and when, and explain to the employees that the goal is transparency and fairness, not spying. So you must inform the employees, and you must adhere to the laws in the country that you're operating in. So please check the laws, talk to a lawyer if in your situation, for your use case, and in your country, the usage of a computer monitoring software in your company is legal. And only then it is allowed to use this software, Wolfeye Remote Screen. Okay, this as a disclaimer. But this video is just a technical video, so to speak. I want to show you how it works or what it does. What it does is the following. Let's say in your company you have 5 computers, and on each of the computer you install Wolfeye Remote Screen in a way I will show it to you in a video. Then after you install it on each of the computer, you receive a dashboard like this one that you see here. This is the demo dashboard. The demo password is 12345, and of course on your dashboard there will be no password here displayed, and you will set your own password, but for the demo password it's like this. And you log into your dashboard, and we'll see for each of the computer that you have installed Wolfeye on, you will see the live computer screens. So in this case, you don't see live screens, you see pictures, because this is the demo password, the demo dashboard, okay? But in reality, you will see the live screen. And live screen means it is a screenshot every 2 seconds to 3 seconds. So you will see here a time lag of 2 to 3 seconds of the screen of the particular computer where you have installed Wolfeye. This is the computer demo 1, this is the computer demo 2, and so forth and so on. Okay. Here you have the possibility on this drop-down menu to 2 columns so that you have bigger screens, or to change to 3 columns so that you have an overview over more screens. Yeah. So that's how it works. You could also take a closer look at any of the screens by right mouse clicking on this live link, live, or this, for example, live, right mouse, open in a new tab, and then a new tab for that particular computer opens, and you see that big screen, the live computer screen of that computer as big as the browser is, so to speak. And also, if you enable, you have the option to enable the screenshot history. If you enable that, then a screenshot is saved every 5 minutes, for example, and you can hit this history link, right mouse click and open it. And you've opened it, then you will see all the screenshots that have been saved for that particular computer. Or you see it for the other computer, right mouse click here, open it, and here you only see these dummy pictures because this is only the demo version. So if you would like to test it, to install Wolfeye on your computer, you come to wolfeye.co, our website. We just changed the website to wolfeye.co. Normally our website was just change it wolfeye.de, and now we have a redirect to wolfeye.co. So wolfeye.co, and come to wolfeye.co. Okay, here in English, select your language, of course in English, and hit go to 40 days. Go to this trial. Okay, go to trial, and here you have the possibility to book a demo with a Google Meet demo, a Google Meet session. You select the date, you select the time, okay, and by the way, you select here your time zone also. Select the time zone that you're in, and that's it basically. Enter your name, your email, your phone number, and maybe how many computers you want to monitor, and book a demo with me. The demo will be with me. And what I will do in the demo is I will give you a short demonstration on how Wolfeye works. That means I will send you my dashboard, and you will see my live screen on the dashboard. My live screen, you can see my live screen because Wolfeye will be installed on my computer. You will see my live screen on your smartphone or on your remote computer. You will see it on the dashboard. It's the link. You open it on a browser, as you have seen here. Okay, and also the next step is we can install it on one or two computers of yours, so that will allow you to install it on the remaining of your computers. Yeah, if I guide you through the installation process for one computer, you will be able to install it for the remaining computers without any problem. Yeah, so I will guide you through installation process. It works very fast. Basically, what it does is this. I give you the download link. I will send it to you. And this is the download, the application file, the setup file, so to speak, that you will download. And I will guide you, but the guidance, you see how fast it is. You just double click the setup file and the installation wizard opens. You just hit on the install button and the software is installed. And then you can finish and it launches Wolfeye automatically. It opens and Wolfeye Remote Screen opens. And now to set it up, you just have to hit the green button. The moment you hit the green button, you're already sharing the screen. And then you hit the blue button. The blue button is the stealth mode button. It hides the software that runs in the background. And the user will not see anything of any surveillance. And you can also not find it in the task manager. So that's how it works. Very, very easy to install. And and finally, what I want to show you is how how it works. I will paint a picture here on Paint. I will make it bigger. Excuse me. Okay, on Paint. So this is the computer. 5 computers. 3, 4, 5. This is the server. Okay. You install Wolfeye on each of these computers, or your company, for example, or any other computer that you want to monitor. Or not only monitor, this software is not only to monitor, so you can also use it to just to see the remote screen of any remote computer. And it will make a screenshot and send it to the server every 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah? For each. Every 2 to 3 seconds, the screenshot is sent. And the screenshot is sent with HTTPS. So it is encrypted with HTTPS. Okay, screenshots are made every 2 to 3 seconds and sent with HTTPS. And it's saved here. The file, the screenshot, is sent to the server. Okay, and the new screenshot that is sent will replace the old one. So the new one replaces the old one. Okay, so there will be no data saved on the server. Nothing is saved. No data is saved to the server. You just send the screenshot, okay? And the new screenshot that's sent will replace the old screenshot, okay? And then finally, you have here your dashboard. Let's do the dashboard in brown. You have here the browser. Yeah. Browser. Okay. Here you have the browser with the URL here that you get to the browser. And here you will see the live screens. Yeah. And it will be basically what you see on this Windows. It will be always these screenshots and how they change, so to speak. Okay. That's how Wolfeye works. Okay. This is how Wolfeye works. And the files here, they are protected with, password protected with, how is it called? htaccess. .htaccess. Sorry for that. It's protected with .htaccess. Yeah? You can read that on our website. If you go to features, scroll down here. The screenshot transmission is protected with HTTPS, and the live screenshot and the history area on the server can optionally be protected with a password htaccess. Okay, this is the technique behind it. So I hope this video helps. Please come, hit this demo button here and book a live demo with me and start your free trial. I'm happy to hear from you. See you in the next video.